Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kapuli puthi kadai kawai ni kispa ba jong kajat benriu, bat dailing ba jong kini kijaka puli bagi samla ki yo shibun kijing bentoy. Ke Green Hills Higher Secondary School Sohryngkham, kawai ni kijaka puli bapau jong kathain Sohryngkham, kan Pynkut no ke Jubili Ksiar haka khatwai Tarik uno pra arhaja arpasau, haka baulat ke jela UCH Vijaya Shankar, unsawan baniran tingkat lang. Habakaran berkilap thai kubor ufada prior kongset parish pris kamauring keneng parish, ubadai pet yakan ke school, ula khot la wer ki khana school barim jong ke school banwan pensngai lam haka tiga sngi bat kenturu ekik megik pa banwan sakhilam yakan ke sngi bakrau jong ke school shu ula kenturu ekik khana pulie ban bot renti ek jing patha na ke school khnang bakani ke jing rakhe ek Jubili Ksiar kanong ka bajom
so bakrau you play nakapta ke jing karku bola tesei haka school Green Hill higher secondary school Sohryngkham Wala dapat san post nem mentah bagi sa Pynkut haka khatway Tarik ubnai December arjar afosau kaban sedang nadu kapor shipeu shiteng hadu kat ar baje tiga session kaban engkong tiga session baar sedang nasi baje hadu lai baje tikunta hakateng jongka school ka management kino hikai kat ka MC nga khot ngawes ngabha hamtam ya ki pas pupil jongka school Green Hill kibandu usnem kat kendai nyo pausau hadu mentau usnem arjar ar pausau yaki kmi kikpa nata yaki pas the former principals yaki former teachers but ki headmistress banesi menta hakatai kasngi closing ceremony jongka golden jubilee jongi namar hakatai kasngi Governor jangka Meghalaya unsalong kongsan tinga da kicingmen bakrau tinga kerpat ro yepi bapin isimentalang bat bot renti ya kini kicing pta harum naga benta kicing ya ibe jarenti jangka program tela kerpat iki pa kibarwan sekretari ka program makin poi shipho shiteng tik shwa ka program jadi shiteng kenta shwa ka por kita bandon no hapo kena makanum tut ka jing po jing wan jong governor hakalenti ya dan tieng tekemta ya ka yaki mobile jong piru kita ban bu haki off mode nangta hakapor ba ajing kren no governor haki kerpa pi ba pinum yaki shene shatai handai ban pele jingmut bat ban sngap ya ka jingkren jong u tele kerpat banum enum sya ban shendur iladon ki ayu kiladon ki breu ki bala appoint na ka school ban le na kam ta ka photo bat ke video tikum ta e kerpat epi ba pinum ya shendur ham ta man pentut ya katai ka banum pentut ya katai ka program sesisin ngakot ngawere pi ki kena school barim baro bat kamtam bikin hikai bat ya pi ki wadon benta kamtam kabalang Katolik Sohryngkham lakot ngawere ya pi sekanika program besi mentalang da kacingmen. I on behalf of the Green Hill Higher Secondary School would like to invite all the past pupil of Green Hill Higher Secondary School, the former principals, the headmistress, and the teachers who were part of the school to come and join the celebration of the concluding ceremony of the Golden Jubilee that will take place on 11 December 2024 at 11 o'clock. But you need to reach before the schedule because the governor of Meghalaya will come for this function as a chief guest. So we request you to reach by 10:30 and be present in your respective places, and we get ready to welcome the chief guest and other dignitaries. So I would like to request also to spread this message to those students of us of the school and also to the friends and the benefactors of our school. So thank you. May God bless you. Welcome to one and all to this celebration of the school jubilee of Green Hill 2024.